AI fashion campaigns, shopping and games, and powered pants straight out of a TV show or movie. 2024 was a wild year for beauty, fashion, tech, and AI. But 2025, it's giving next level innovation. Stay with me as I break down 7 viral trends from 2024 and my bold predictions for 2025. I've created the digital runway playbook of 2024 highlights and 2025 predictions, your free guide to future proofing yourself in beauty, fashion, tech, and AI. Grab it in description. Make sure to hit subscribe with notifications on and comment your favorite trend or prediction. Hi, I'm Jenny Park, a global beauty, fashion, retail executive with over 20 years of experience at LVMH, Nordstrom, Lippincott, and Harper's Bazaar. Let's dive in. 2024 trends plus highlights. 7 viral trends in fashion, beauty, tech, and AI for 2024. AI in fashion. AI wasn't just a trend in 2024, it was the moment. And Mango created an AI campaign using generative tools to handle visuals and messaging. Gamified shopping. Roblox partnered with Shopify to allow users to buy matching outfits for themselves and their avatars. Wearable tech. Arc'teryx's wearable robotics pants that assist movement, proving wearable tech isn't just about fitness, it's about wellness, accessibility, and solving a problem. The biggest question is when insurance will cover your next pair. Immersive retail. The future of shopping. Walmart launched a virtual world called Walmart Realm, a 3D shopping platform where you shop digital twins that allow you to buy physical product. Walmart Realm, interesting for 3 reasons. Next level shopping. Merging gaming with e-commerce makes it easy to shop. Targeting Gen Z. Partnering with influencers, Nova Rose, Mackenzie, Malia, physical rewards. Giving an incentive like a discount or sweepstakes. Comment what you thought about Walmart Realm. Digital product passports. Luxury brands like Prada and as well as accessible brands like Coach are using digital product passports or DPPs to provide transparency, materials, origin, sustainability. DPPs, this is very important, will be required for all products sold in the EU by 2030. Beauty tech, DMAS, especially post COVID, a lot of people want beauty services at home. Watch the Sephora video where I share my top picks. All right, so Nimble Beauty was introduced at CES in 2024 that scans your nails and gives you a manicure that dries in 25 minutes. Post pandemic, having salon quality results at home is important. NFT Rollercoaster. Nike shuts down Artifact, a legacy Web3 NFT brand in 2025, but acquired over 60 patents, and maybe that was the game in the first place. The second thing to mention is that Nike's own Web3 initiative, Dot Swoosh, pivoted to gaming in 3D printed sneakers. They debuted the Air Max 1000, a brand new style at ComplexCon in Las Vegas. They are still innovating, but not in the way that we thought. Let me know if you want a deep dive on Nike, Dot Swoosh, and Artifact. Let me know in the comments. Wardrobe change because we're talking about 2025. Got this jacket from a brand that is no longer Colton Rain, but I really love it. 2025 trends. My 7 bold predictions. AI personalization. AI will revolutionize how we shop, live, do everything. I've been sharing Janie's AI edit in the Digital Runway newsletter because I saw a need for education about AI to curate your outfits, ChatGPT prompts to curate skincare routine, or even help you to pack and shop for your next trip or build out your next itinerary. AI tools, AI assistants, AI agents. I want to share one of my favorite AI tools, Otter. It's an AI meeting assistant. It joins you in your calls and puts together different meetings that you can ask it for the takeaways to having the recording, the transcription. You could actually search for it. Instead of creating an email yourself, it creates an email for you. I will link it in the description and also it will be in my free digital download. Phygital gaming and commerce. Gaming platforms like Roblox are transforming into shopping hubs, bridging digital and physical worlds. 66 million daily active users and generating 2.66 billion revenue from Q1 to Q3 of 2024. Roblox is leading, especially with the new Shopify integration. I expect more collaborations in 2025. Wearable fashion tech. We talk about wearable tech and fashion tech, but I am combining these together, and this is a term I will be using in 2025, blending function and fashion. Think smart glasses by major fashion brands or chic health tracking accessories. Tell me why it looks exactly like an AirTag. This is what happens when you only have tech people working on fashion. It looks like a tech product, not a fashion accessory. Breaking news for the digital runway community. I am headed to CES 2025 in January as media, as well as a moderator for a wearable tech panel. If you're going, please let me know. I love to connect IRL, and I'm already working to prepare myself with all the content that I plan on pumping out live and post, and I am super excited for it. If you're loving these predictions, download the Digital Runway Playbook for more stories, tools, and insights to stay ahead in 2025. Virtual try-ons that fit. AR try-ons or virtual try-ons for me, I believe, are set to solve two of the biggest challenges when it comes to online shopping: sizing and returns, which inevitably costs the company money. Virtual fitting tools with precise data, so you'll know exactly what to order, so there isn't guesswork and endless returns. Plus, brands can use AR filters and digital fashion instead of physical samples. I really want brands to start doing this to cut costs, to promote sustainability, and allow content creators, influencers, ambassadors, VIPs to try on just something fun and digital that is represented of a collection in the season. It could be a one-off to promote or be a reflection of something that's happening in culture that they can capture immediately instead of having to wait on a 1 to 2 year timeline to actually design and produce something. At home beauty, the post COVID era made at home beauty a must. Instead of long visits to different salons, you can invest in a tech device. The next wave would be about accessibility and affordability. More CPG companies with a lower price version to capture that market. I cannot wait to see the latest in beauty tech at CES. I will be reporting back. Sustainability meets 3D printing. Brands are trying out 3D printing. Nike, Coperni, LVMH, 3D printing machine in key store locations to literally embrace 3D printing to create bespoke, zero waste, personalized designs on demand. Imagine a VVIP dropping a six-figure amount at your store location and you want to do something special for them, co-creating a personalized handbag or a wallet with choosing colors, styles, even monogramming. Problem solving tech. Blockchain will focus on real world applications, especially during this economy, like product authentication, resale tracking. Fashion's digital future will be about solving problems. That is a wrap. Make sure to download the Digital Runway Playbook, 2024 highlights, 2025 predictions, your free guide packed with extra stories, tools, and insights to future proof yourself in 2025. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Let me know in comments what your favorite trend or prediction was for 2025.